Welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to create a simple logo. Now I want to create a logo for a company called D5. So we are going to create a simple 2D logo. Let's get started. First I'll get a cycle, get a shape, and I'll convert this shape to a cycle. Now I will increase the size of the line. That's the stroke, let's increase it, and I will change the color to red. Press OK. Let me increase it a bit and centralize it. Now, like I said, I'm creating a 2D logo for a company called D5. So let's go on text, D. Okay, I'll increase the size and let's change the color. I'm using black. I'll also change the font style Let's change the font style. Let's look for something unique. So yes, this is okay. All right. Now I'll just duplicate this and edit it. 5. Don't forget the company name is D5. Now we'll just reduce it. Reduce this one also. Let's reduce the D. Now to make both fonts to be in same size, I'll select the 5. I'll go to size and I'll make it 160. 60. Okay. Do the same thing to the D. Go to size and make it 160. Alright. I'll change the color of this to red. Just let me rotate the D, increase it a little, bring this one here, and also increase it a bit. I'm going to add another text. Sorry. And another text, love. And get this icon, go back, add love, bring it here, and add another one, bring it forward. Okay, I'll bring it here and change the color to black. I will also change the font style. I'm looking for something nice. I think this will do. Okay. Let me reduce this bit. Okay. And I want to add the love symbol again. I'll just come to text, type love, get my symbol and press OK. I have it here. Just use this to bring it forward. Okay, I'll duplicate it again. And just bring it here. Let me reduce this and keep it here. Now let's just do some little adjustments. Bring it down a bit. So bring the D down a bit. I'll bring this low. I think that is okay. Now I will change the background to transparent. Save my logo. Save. Now this is how to create a simple 2D logo. Sit back as I show you in our next video on how to convert this 2D logo into 3D logo. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to Isha Tech Graphics Academy. See you in my next video.